Today on There to Hear Travels, we are in Ormond Beach, where we stayed at the Cove. Before I show you the resort, I first want to let you know what's coming up in the next few weeks. We'll be showing you what we did around Ormond Beach and Daytona Beach. We have some free and cheap things to do. We went down to the lighthouse. We've got a lot of cool videos coming up. So make sure you hit subscribe, and if you want to get notified every time that we post a new video, hit the notification bell. So the Cove is owned by Diamond Resorts, but Diamond Resorts has been bought out by Hilton. So I'm sure it'll be rebranded soon. As of right now, it is still labeled Diamond Resort. The resort is located right on the ocean, and it's not far from West Granada Boulevard, which is the main road that brings you in to Ormond Beach. There are plenty of restaurants, coffee, groceries, all within walking or a short drive away. It's a pretty convenient location for getting around. I'm going to start out by showing you our room, and then I'll take you around the resort a little bit. When you first pull up, you're in the North Tower, but we were down at the South Tower in room 502A, so on the 5th floor of the South Tower. We had a full kitchen, completely equipped with everything you need for the week: plates, pots, pans, cooking utensils. They even have a pizza cutter. The main living area has a pull-out couch, large TV, and a dining table for 4. From the dining table, you can see a view of the ocean, and I loved having my coffee there in the morning. That was a perfect spot. There's also 3 bar stools at the island. And just off of the kitchen is the main bedroom. It's very spacious, has a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser with plenty of drawers, another large TV, and a chair that has a view of the ocean. It also has a sliding glass door that leads to the same balcony as the one from the main living area. The main bedroom is open to the bathroom. It has a large soaking tub and a separate shower. The tile's a little dated, and I wasn't a fan of the water pressure, but it did the job for the week. Here's me and the sink area. The toilet is thankfully behind closed doors. Also in the bathroom is a closet, complete with pool towels, a safe, and the bedding you would need for the pull-out couch. Heading back through the main living area, we utilized this cabinet below the TV for extra storage space. We had board games and stuff. It came in handy. Then on to the secondary bedroom, has 2 queen-size beds. It could have been fulls, but I'm pretty sure that those were queens. They were pretty spacious. 1 shared nightstand and more views. The secondary bedroom has its own balcony with a view of the ocean. Also in the secondary bedroom, there is another spacious dresser, plus a closet with a light. The secondary bedroom also has access to the second bathroom. It's got a full-size tub, shower combo, and of course it has toilet and sink area. And it also leads out to the main living area again, so this is accessible from the main area or the secondary bedroom, and it leads out to the closet with the washer and dryer. There's also an iron and ironing board available, but I don't use an iron. Like, not just on vacation, like, never. Comment below, do you iron your clothes? Okay, moving on from the controversial iron or not iron debate, I wanted to show you the most important part of the room, the balcony. Now, as I mentioned before, you can get to this from the main bedroom or the main living area. It's pretty spacious. It's got the 2 chairs and a little table, but there's also the 2 chairs and table on the other balcony. So if you wanted all 4 chairs out here, you could just move them from the 1-bedroom balcony out to here and hang out with that view. And of course, get the perfect Instagram shot. Okay, so now that I've shown you around the room, I want to take you around the resort. The game room is in the north tower that you went to check in at. One day while we were here, they were giving out free root beer floats, and this is also the room that they held it in. There's also some vending machines, and the pool has a lazy river, although it's not very lazy because those buckets dump on you while you're floating around, so keep that in mind. The pool area connects between the south and north tower, so it's accessible no matter which tower you're staying in, and of course, there's the beach. They offer a limited amount of chairs, both lounge chairs and these plastic ones, and they'll set them up for you and umbrellas, but it is first come, first serve. So if you're there when it's busy, you might want to get there early to claim your seats. Make sure you look both ways before crossing the beach. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please click like. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified. We really appreciate every subscriber we get, so please hit that subscribe button. If it is red, you haven't done it yet. If it's gray, you're good to go. Don't ever click it again. Thanks for watching There to Here Travels.